Ever forget your wallet at home? Standing at the checkout with a sinking feeling, desperately searching for that crumpled receipt? Those days might be numbered, especially if you live in the Nordics. Today, we're diving into the world of mobile payments and exploring a powerhouse app called Vipps. But before we download it and start tapping our phones to pay, let's ask the big question: is Vipps actually a digital wallet? From humble beginnings to Nordic champion. The story of Vipps starts in 2015, born in the heart of Norway. Its creators had a simple vision: to make sending money between friends as easy as sending a text. Back then, it was all about peer-to-peer payments, splitting bills after dinner, or paying your roommate for rent. But this simple idea resonated with Norwegians, and Vipps quickly gained traction. Fast forward to today, Vipps is no longer just a peer-to-peer app. It's morphed into a full-fledged mobile payment platform, boasting over 5 million users in Norway alone. That's almost the entire population. And the growth doesn't stop there. Vipps has joined forces with its Danish counterpart, Mobile Pay, creating Vipps Mobile Pay, a single platform dominating the Nordic mobile payment scene. So, what does Vipps do? Imagine your phone as a powerful financial tool. With Vipps, you can make secure and instant payments, skip the cash machine and pay for groceries, clothes, or even that fancy coffee at the touch of a button. Many online stores and physical businesses in the Nordics now accept Vipps, making it a breeze to ditch the plastic. Split bills with friends, settled that group dinner debate? Whip out Vipps and easily split the bill amongst everyone. No more awkward calculations or scrambling for change. Send and receive money instantly. Need to pay your mom back for that loan? Vipps allows for instant transfers between users, making it perfect for those pay-me-back moments. Pay bills, bills. Vipps can simplify even the most mundane tasks. Pay your phone bill, electricity bill, or anything else directly through the app. Convenience at its finest. But is it really a digital wallet? This is where things get interesting. Vipps doesn't technically store your physical credit or debit cards within the app. Instead, it connects securely to your bank account. When you make a payment, Vipps acts as a middleman, sending the payment information to your bank for authorization. So, while Vipps doesn't function exactly like a traditional digital wallet that stores your card details, it still offers the same level of convenience and security when making mobile payments. Think of it as a superpowered piggy bank app that connects directly to your bank account for seamless transactions. The future of payments with Vipps. Vipps is constantly evolving. They're partnering with major players like Visa to expand their reach and explore new features. Imagine using Vipps to pay for things abroad or even make contactless payments with your phone. The possibilities are endless. The final takeaway. Whether you consider Vipps a true digital wallet or not, one thing is clear: it's revolutionizing the way people pay in the Nordics. From splitting bills with friends to paying for groceries, Vipps offers a secure, convenient, and increasingly versatile way to manage your finances. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.